Activity 5. Explain the formation of rainbow with an activity artificially. Aim to show the formation of rainbow artificially. Materials required: pipe with water, sunlight and white wall. Procedure: to produce an artificial rainbow, select a wall on which sun rays fall. Then stand facing towards it by holding a water pipe. Obstruct the water flow from the water pipe by using thumb. Here we can observe that the water comes out like a fountain from the tiny gaps between the pipe and the thumb. Now we can observe the formation of various colors on the wall, which looks like an artificial rainbow. This is because of the dispersion of sunlight by water drops coming out of the pipe. Consider a water drop when a sunlight is incident on the water drops near its top surface. At first, refraction takes place when the white light is dispersed into the spectrum of 7 colors, violet being deviated the most and red the least. Reaching the opposite side of the drop, each color is reflected back into the drop because of partial internal reflection. Arriving at the surface of the drop, each color is again refracted into the air. When the angle between incoming and outgoing rays is 42 degrees, red color is visible. When the angle between incoming and outgoing rays is 40 degrees, violet color is visible. We observe bright rainbow when the angle between incoming and outgoing rays is 40 degrees to 42 degrees. Result: by this experiment, it is clear that an artificial rainbow can be produced by refraction, partial internal reflection, and dispersion phenomena.